Press record. All right, all right. Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. It is 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, y'all. Today we're gonna go through our weekly market recap, right? Just kind of figure out what our ideas was, what we thought was going down, and see how basically just kind of see how we did at the end of the day. All right, so the first thing that we're looking at here is AUD CAD. All right, AUD CAD, and I don't know why I didn't delete this idea, because yesterday when we hopped on, we were talking about that price looked like it was heading up, it was getting bullish. And as you can see on AUD CAD, this is the 4-hour that basically it was a home run. All right, home run idea. All right, if you ended up taking this trade right now, you are up 66 pips. All right, 66 pips. So AUD CAD, we definitely was patient and we hit that one. All right, just go back out to the monthly. We still got that monthly support, and it looks like we ended up bouncing off that 100 period moving average. All right, this level 0.97004 held its support, and right now price looks like it's pushing back up to that 0.98225. All right, so price could continue bearish from this point forward, but we do want to see again if this 0.97080 level is actually indeed going to hold as support, because it looks like the candle, that weekly candle, is like some sort of doji, I guess we can call it, meaning that it was bullish. It was a bullish week, but we got a lot of wicks, right? We got a lot of wick action, both on the bearish side and the bullish side. Okay. As far as the daily is concerned, again, we do see that we did open up the week bullish. We wicked off of that 0.98206, and that pushed us all the way down to almost that 0.96979 level. And as of right now, it does appear that we have broken that trend. All right, remember we were saying that we were in a downward moving wedge, and right now price is peaking out. Lamont, you called it. Today was what, NFP day. So we actually ended up getting a nice bit of bullish momentum, and we do have a bullish cross in oversold territory on the stochastic. So according to the daily, price could actually continue to push up. All right, remember, again, we were setting these higher lows. We broke, right now, we're breaking the trend. So I actually like to see price continue to the upside. Let's move forward to AUDJPY, which for me ended up being my trade of the week. All right, ended up being my trade of the week. Let's go back out to the monthly. All right, we still have that bullish cross on the monthly. Let me see what level this is. Can't really see the level. Let's just dive down a little bit more. All right, again, we were saying that in the beginning of the week, y'all, we were going to wait. We were going to wait for price to break that wedge pattern, and that's exactly what we did on this. We caught it. All right, caught it. I think price could continue to push higher, although we're almost at this January 8th high, which I do believe is definitely not an all-time high. But overall, we're pushing up, y'all. We're going with the trend bullish. Remember we were saying that even though things were looking bearish, that we wanted to stick with the trend, overall bullish trend. So that's what we did. All right. We see now we're looking at GBP JPY. Hold on, let me go back to AJ. and map out this profit. All right, so we got another 58 pips of profit. So we got 66. We got 66 and 56 pips of profit. All right. Now we're going to GBP JPY. This one was, man, I can't see. 196 pips of profit. All right. 196 pips of profit, y'all. So we are well over 300 pips of profit. Okay. Now we're going to GBP CAD. GBP CAD, we're also in profit. All right. We know that all these pairs, y'all, they tend to move together. Okay. That's 139 more pips of profit. All right. Let's go to GA. All right. GA, it did wick up, but right now we're back at entry level. But even that one actually gave us 77 pips of profit. Okay. 77 pips of profit. Crushed this week. Now we're looking at gold. Gold also, we went into profit. All right. Crushed gold as well. That one gave us off 44 pips of profit. Okay. And those are pretty much the only ones that we traded this week. I did not actually trade the JUR, even though if we did, the idea that we mapped off ended up also in profit. I hate when this happens. When you don't trade something and it just hit for take profit. All right, a 233 more pips of profit. All right, and then I did not trade Amazon this whole entire week. All right, I did trade Apple, and I remained bullish. All right, all week. I did not map this out, but we did talk about it. And even with this, we still got we still ended up with 544 bips of profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the math on the pip count of profit for the week. We see that we crushed the week. So I hope y'all continuing to get on to these live sessions that we're doing in the morning, or if you're not getting on the live session, at least making sure that you're looking at the recording. Because right now, again, we're doing the weekly recap. Do we crush every week like this? Absolutely not, right? I'm not going to sit here and say we do, all right? But it's going to be weeks when we just hit, all right? That's why we can't bet too much in one trade, all right? We got to make sure that we there and available for the trades that make sense for us, all right? Or that's for us, I should say. All right, so this is kind of unbelievable, but it is the count. All right, we ended up with 1,355 pips in profit this week. Okay, and that was just based on the last 48 hours. All right, so you know, we didn't even count the other pips. I mean, the other trades really from Monday and Tuesday. All right, so it could be a little more, it could be a little less, but overall, we crushed this week, y'all. All right, so again, I got to just thank y'all for making me get up in the morning, jump on these you know, do these live market analysis, and we're moving in the right direction that we want to. All right. So just going back to our 5% spreadsheet, y'all, we're trying to compound our working capital by 5% a day. Remember, with this strategy, y'all, we only need 20 pips, y'all. 20 pips to hit your 5% goal. All right. So 20 times 5 is what? 100, right? That's 100. I had to do the math on my fingers. All right. So even if we count Sunday, which the market really doesn't do anything, right? Then we got 120. You count 7 days a week. All right. Now we got 140. That's all you need, y'all. Okay. We ended up with 1,355 pips of profit just really within the last 48 hours, right? Wednesday night, Thursday till right now. All right. So again, y'all, I definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know, let's continue to do what we're doing. All right. Remember what the game plan was on Sunday. What are we looking for? Let me go back to it and read it to you one more time. What was our strategy? We're looking for inverse head and shoulders. We're looking for head and shoulders, double bottoms, double tops. All right. And wedge patterns. Okay. And that's all we did. That's all we did was play the inverse head and shoulders, double tops, double bottoms. We used the stochastic and everything. But again, the indicators, they, to me, on Mondays and Tuesdays, and this has been repeated, you know, every single week. All right. I haven't really looked at it on Sunday, to be honest with you. But they kind of be off on Mondays and Tuesdays because in my theory, this is just my theory, is that each week has its own trend, right? Each week does its own thing, right? And on Monday and Tuesday, since the indicators are basically averages, their numbers, right? The data is kind of skewed on Monday and Tuesday because it's giving you data based on what happened last week. And indeed, this is a note. This is a forgot my train. New week, right? This is a new week. So again, y'all, we gotta be careful. I think we should continue to implement the fact that we should start off slow, right? Start off slow. And then once we really figure out what the week's price structure is, then that's when we strike. All right, which seems to be Wednesday evening, Thursday, Friday morning. All right, so let's just continue to do what we're doing because since we've been doing this, I think we started at September? All right, September, October. We only had, at least me, 2 losing weeks. All right, 2 losing weeks. So again, y'all, I gotta give y'all all the credit, all the love, and of course, God, of course, right? So appreciate y'all. Y'all already know what it is. We're gonna be back on here on Sunday night for weekly market forecast to predict which direction that we think things may head in next week. Could this be a double top? We don't know. All right. Is price going to continue to push up? We don't know. All right. But we did get that wedge pattern. It dropped a little further than we thought it was going to drop. But when it came back up, all right, it broke and we caught it. All right. On the idea, at least. Again, I did not trade this one live this week. And I'm angry about it. But we nailed it as far as the idea. All right. Any questions? I'm here, y'all. Please don't neglect your one-on-one sessions because at the end of the day, we're here to help you get better. All right. So make sure that you're taking advantage of those so that we make sure that you're getting it done. All right. But my phone blowing up. I gotta go. This call is over. It's been recorded for playback. See y'all Sunday night.